Hello children, welcome to my class. I am Mamata Shah. You can call me Mamata ma'am. Most of you know me very well. Today I am going to teach science for class 5. It is easy to help you to cover the syllabus and to maintain the flow of study. This video is connected to your lesson plan for 21st July. Today we are going to learn about soluble substances, insoluble substances and methods of separation. Let's start with soluble substances. What are soluble substances? Soluble substances are the substances that dissolve in a liquid or in water. Sugar and salt are the examples of soluble substances. Why? Because sugar and salt can dissolve in water completely. Now student, I'll go for insoluble substances. Insoluble substances are the substances that do not dissolve in a liquid or in water. Sand and tea leaves or mud are the examples of insoluble substances. Why? Because they cannot dissolve in water. Now student, I start the methods of separation. Insoluble substances can be separated by different methods: sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Today I will tell about sedimentation and decantation. So let's start with sedimentation. Sedimentation is the process where insoluble substances can be separated from a liquid. How? We can give an experiment to understand sedimentation. First you take a beaker and fill up with water. Fill up with water. Then mix some sand particles in it. So this is sand water mixture. Leave it undisturbed for a few minutes. What do you observe? Now see what we observe. We observe that the clear water is at the top of the beaker and sand particles are at the bottom of the beaker. This is clear water and these are sand particles. We can call it sediments. Now, what is sedimentation? The process of settling down of heavy particles as sediment in a solid liquid mixture is called sedimentation. I hope you have understood the process of sedimentation. Now I will go for decantation. So what is decantation? I hope you can understood what is. Now look at the board. take another beaker and pour that clear water from that beaker where already we have seen sedimentation. That clear water, pour a little into it. So this is clear water. Now, can you tell me what is the decantation? Decantation is the process of pouring out of clear water without disturbing the sediment is called decantation. Now student, next day I'll tell about filtration, and this process, this both experiment you can do at home with the help of sand and water, mud and water, anything. So I hope you will try it. Thank you. That's all for today.